Hi guys, today I will explain about how to change theme on my Shopify store. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is head over to your store and log in your account on which you want to change your theme. Once you do all these things, you will see the same interface like me. And here, take a look on the left side, you will see multiple options: home, orders, product, customer, content, analytics, marketing, discount. From here, you have to select this option, online store. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you will see multiple options like themes, blogspot, pages. If the selected option is not theme, then click on it to select this one. Once you will select theme, all but theme which you have all your store will be shown. And if I scroll down, here you can see I can add these themes. And also if I click on the option visit theme store, then I can expand over 80 more free or paid themes which I can use for my store. But for now, I will scroll up and here you can see this one is my selected theme. Scroll down and as you can see, I don't have any other theme. But if you have, then all your theme will be here. And also you can visit the theme store for installing more theme on your Shopify store. And it was the basic way by which you can change theme on Shopify.